Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I wanted to review Muji Moisturizing Cream. This is from the organic series. So this is how it looks like. This is like the green color with this kind of aluminium lid. I have been using this since May, so now it is like around middle of the October. It has been about 5 months, I would say. So yeah, and I've actually used this quite a lot, so it's almost finished, but it's not yet finished. So I've been using this for 5 months, so I'm gonna tell you guys like exactly how do I feel after 5 months of using this. I need to apologize in advance because I just got like a dental surgery this morning, so my lips is kind of numb, so I'm so sorry if there are some words that I misspoken. I've been looking for the ingredients list on the internet, like on Google and stuff, but I couldn't find it anymore. So I remember last time when I wanted to buy this, I go to Muji's website to check out the ingredient, and I remember there, like, the information is there on the internet, like it was on the Muji Malaysia website, but now they removed it for some reason. I don't know why. I just don't think that's a good reason. Like, that's just not a good move at all. But then again, like, I don't know, maybe they thought that's just not important, but of course that's actually very important, like for people to look at the ingredient, read the ingredient first before they actually go to the store and buy it, you know. So anyway, it actually took me some time to find the ingredient list. I will link it down below, and I think this one is the most updated one. The one that I will be posting in the description box is I think it's the accurate one. Alright, so let's talk about the ingredient first. So this has a high content in the aloe vera leaf juice. Second highest concentrate ingredient in this product is the aloe vera juice, so this is like really great. And also shea butter, so it has a high content of like very good natural ingredients. You know, like the top 3 ingredients in this thing is aloe vera juice, the shea butter, and then olive oil. So yeah, this is really great. Ingredients wise, this is like really great. Okay, it has the like silicone, but the silicone is really like when I use it, I don't feel the silicone is that much, because when there are a lot of silicone in a product, like I can really feel it, like my skin becoming like silicone or stuff like that. So I don't feel this one has a high concentrate in dimethicone, even though it's kind of mentioned like the first 7. So dimethicone is the number 7 of the highest concentrate ingredient here. But yeah, I don't feel it's that I just don't feel it's that prominent, you know. And this also has beeswax, so for some people beeswax can cause like comedo in them. You gotta find out yourself. Okay, so if beeswax is just not good for you, like maybe every time you use beeswax it causes some comedo, then don't use this. But for me, beeswax is fine. So like to me, when I'm using this, like I don't feel like it's causing comedo. Most of the time what's causing comedo is too much use of makeup, and then of course excessive use of mask, which cause mask needs. This product also contains a lot of great natural ingredients. I guess because it is from the organic line, so that is why they put a lot of great ingredients. And when I compare to the other cream in Muji, you know, like from the sensitive skin series, the clear skin series, the aging series and stuff like that, the best 2 that I can find is this one and the aging one. So the rest are like you know, they're not really like great in terms of the ingredient, honestly. Like they just have a lot of like dimethicone. I remember they have like a huge concentrate in the dimethicone, and you know, it's just not really great. Like they have also very little good ingredients, like I mean like the good natural ingredients, they actually have not much of that. So and of course they are cheaper in terms of the price. So for me, I don't mind paying extra for this one, because this is like ingredients wise, this is really good. Okay, and it also has squalane, so I mean, to me, I love squalane, so like it's a really good emollient, and usually squalane is like really great for moisturizing as well. And I like I have been using squalane combined with retinol, so to me like it works for me. So I don't know, I just love squalane. Okay, so this actually contains paraben, so if you are scared of paraben, so maybe you want to stay out of it. But to me personally, paraben is like it's okay for me. So like I'm not scared of paraben, so that's why I'm like fine using this. But yeah, if you are scared of paraben, then yeah, you might want to like avoid this. And it also has fragrance, but the fragrance is like very little. It is less than 1%, because of course when I take a look at the ingredient, fragrance and the methyl paraben, butyl paraben, and all that paraben, they're actually placed after the phenoxyethanol. So yeah, like if you guys don't know, phenoxyethanol, the maximum number allowed is 1%. So below the phenoxyethanol, it's gotta be at least like less than 1%, you know. So if it's less than 1%, they can actually mention it randomly, so it doesn't have to be like fragrance, even though it's mentioned last. So that doesn't mean fragrance is the least, it's just that they just put it randomly because it's less than 1% anyway. This cream is actually for moisturizing, but I don't know, I just feel like this cream is like can do more than just moisturizing. So okay, let's talk about the experience of me using this for like 5 months. Okay, so I do feel that this cream is slightly, how to say, oily. It feels slightly oily, and of course I have an oily face, so that kind of at first I was like, ew, like it's so oily and all that. But after a while, like I realized that actually my face, even though it's oily, but actually the skin is dehydrated, it's not moisturized enough. So I continue using this. Okay, but then the more I use it, the more I feel like, you know what, it's not that oily actually. Like it's not that oily, it's just, to me it's just right. Like I know there are some cream out there that is like super thick and super oily, to the point that you feel like when you wear it there's like oil sitting on top of your face, but this one, it doesn't feel like that. It doesn't feel like that at all. It feels like it absorbs on my skin. Okay, like it's not like oil sitting on top. Like yeah, when you apply it at first it feels a little bit oily, but over time it's gonna be like absorb into your skin. So that's, to me, that's good. So let me just show you guys like how is the texture. So let me just take a little bit for here. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the texture. It's not that thick, honestly. If you guys can see, it's not that, like, it's just not that oily. Okay, so if you guys can see, there is like a little bit of shine here, and then here is like no shine at all. So this is the part that is dry. I didn't put any cream at all. This is the part that I put cream. So it does have this kind of little bit of oil, but yeah, as I mentioned, over time it's gonna be like lesser than this one, so because it's going to like absorb into your skin. Okay, so 5 months of me using this, I do feel like my skin is a lot healthier. It's a lot moisturized. I mean, seriously, that's just how I feel. I can't really like explain why. It could probably because of the ingredients in here that is like really good. Like, to be honest, like the ingredients here is nothing but to moisturize your skin. Like every ingredient that they put here is like good for moisturizing, and good for moisturizing. So I love that this actually gives my face a lot of good moisture. It also, like, I don't know, I just feel like my skin is a lot healthier. Like I can't really like point out why I feel that way. I just feel like, you know, last time I feel like my skin is very like prone to break out. Like it's just so easy to break out. It is very, I don't know, dull. It's very like I can just feel it's dry, you know. Like it's not like, I know my skin is oily, but the oil is just sitting outside, but inside I'm not like I'm just not moisturized, you know. Like, after I used it, I just feel like my skin is healthier. It's like, I don't know, maybe it's like feels softer, or maybe feels like it's cleaner or something like that. Could also be because I combine this with other products like the Clinique moisture boost lotion, and then I use of course the retinol as well. So all that combined, I think it gives a really great result. Like I just love my skin so much. Honestly, like if I'm not like wearing masks wearing masks that often, I just wouldn't get any acne that much. I don't know, I just feel like wearing this, it makes me not wanting to wear makeup if that makes sense. Like it doesn't make me wanted to wear, like, you know, foundation, concealer and stuff like that. So I just feel like it's really great. Like it's just making my skin looks great, feels great, like yeah. It's really great, and I've been using this for 5 months, so of course I'm gonna continue using this. And price wise, I do feel like this is much more worth it than, like, you know, Sephora creams out there. You know, like Sephora creams, they cost like what, 100 something ringgit. I mean, they're good. Like I think they're good, but to be honest, I feel like this is so good that, and this doesn't cost that much. So I do feel like if you guys are kind of on a budget, but you wanted to take a good care of your skin, then you have to try this one. Like what I'm telling you guys is that if you haven't tried this, you're missing out. So the only thing that probably is not good is just this has paraben, because as far as I know, in Sephora they don't allow any product that has paraben in it. So they don't sell anything that has paraben, so of course this cannot be sold at Sephora. But then again, like what I'm trying to tell is that I'm not scared of paraben. I'm just not convinced with all the research and everything. Like the research is inadequate. Paraben is not really that scary. Like it's just that a lot of people, of course, say that, oh, it's linked to cancer and all that. But of course, with the inadequate research, I can't really say much if I wanted to believe it or not. So honestly, like not all Muji product is good, to be honest. Like I actually spent a lot of time looking at their label, reading their ingredients, and check one by one, you know. Really, it's actually not all of them are good, but this one is really good. I would recommend that if you guys wanted to try Muji product, you can try from the this one, the organic line, or you can try the aging line. Those two are like the most expensive ones in Muji, but honestly they're pretty good. They have a lot more the good natural ingredients. Like it's just a lot of concentrate, you know. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is beneficial for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know if you have tried this as well, or if you have tried any other Muji products, or if you recommend to me any Muji product, like please do just write it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.